Are you tired of slugs munching on your plants? Let's put to an end that today. Hi, my name is Shahid, and today I will show you a simple trick to keep slugs away from your plants using copperware. Slugs hate copperware. When they come into contact with it, it gives them a mild electric shock which they avoid at all costs. Here is how you can use this to your advantage. All you need is some copperware. Wrap one piece of copperware around the hanger, ensuring it covers the entire surface. Then wrap the second piece of wire approximately 1 centimeter apart. Now your hanging basket has double protection against those slugs. Your plant will stay healthy and slug free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening.